They have produced certain photographs to show that how there are potholes, and at some places the footpath work is not completed. As far as potholes are concerned, they have to be repaired, and they will be repaired immediately after there is some sunshine and there is some dry season. So that is something to do with the rains. Basically, that problem is something to do with the rains. As far as footpath etc. is concerned, they are it's an ongoing process that will also take some time, because what we had told the High Court was basically opening of the roads. That was the statement that was made before the High Court. So basically, as far as opening of the road is concerned, that is clear and complete in all respects. As far as potholes etc. are concerned, they will be taken care of as soon as it is possible to do so. Then as far as footpath is concerned, I think we will have to wait for the monsoons to slow down, and that is how, and thereafter that work will start.